Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. The purpose of today's video is simply showing you the different drive modes, the sound of the exhaust, overall feel of the car. Without further ado, let's get straight into it. It feels like BMW has improved all three of its driving modes. The ride feels better, stiffer than the older generation. The only thing I really miss is the rear wheel drive. That's not really a big issue, if I'm honest, as I've got 265 brake horsepower, 400 Newton meters of torque, and that is a lot of fun in a small 4-pot engine. Inside the cabin, whilst in Eco Pro mode, the car is very quiet. You don't even notice the gear changes, as there is no fakery of engine sound pumped in. Whereas in comfort and sports mode, this feature engages itself. A month ago I had the opportunity to test drive the new 135i. Considering the 128 Ti has 40 brake horsepower less, weighs 80 grams less, well, until I get into it, than the 135i, it actually feels a lot more fun to drive. The car feels planted, it's got firm suspension, and the ride is perfect for daily usage. Once again guys, thank you for watching my YouTube video. Subscribe if you haven't done so already, and hit the bell notification so you guys are notified for future videos.